This is a 2-inch insulation that they put on. Looks like they got a brick ledge here, so they're going to put some stone on here. And I'm surprised they're framing this all with 2x4. Usually they're doing 2x6 or stapling on the corners. Everything else is just insulation board. So when they put on the siding, they have to get into the 2x4. This looks like a bedroom, of course. It's you can see the closet here, and they use the insulation board. Anything that's not on the corners makes it a lot more. See, they're going to put this is a brick ledge they have on here. They have a block. Lots of a fair amount of windows. Looks like a deep basement that they're putting in down here. There's a new construction here in Trenton, Michigan. They just put this up. They framed this up this past week. We'll go around the back, see what it looks like. I don't know what they have going on back here. This is, of course, looks like it might be the kitchen. Pretty big house, pretty good, nice size house. And this is how they frame up the overhang. You see they started this all done with 2x4 with 1x underneath. Cheap wood. You don't need anything fancy because it's just using to support the 2x4s. Looks like it's a 9-foot ceiling, but you can see all the insulation that they used here. Brick ledge, as I said before. You can see the overhang. You see these nails. These are they put the house wrap on. They're taping the seams with tie-back tape, which is good. And this is how they're doing the eaves. See, they use a 2x6, 2 nails on each 2x4 supports that. Standard framing. They got an arrow lift, which is real nice for little crane hookup. We're going to use to set the trusses. They have all prefabricated trusses that they have already delivered on site. They're tie-backing everything right on the ground. Of course, this is the way they do it now. Nice 2-car garage. It's going to be, I don't know if it's a 16 or 18-foot opening. This real high garage. It looks like it's going to be 12 foot in here. So you can see the 4x8, and then they got another 4 on top of that. So it's going to give them a lot of storage in the garage. Makes it really nice. And here's all the trusses that they're having. I bet you they're probably going to build another house right next door. These are all new houses here in Trenton, in Lafayette, right off of West Road. You can see how they're framing the eaves. Yeah, it's a nicely built house. And whoever's the builder, he's doing a good job. He doesn't have any sign up or anything. None of these guys do now. They don't need the work. They're working as much as they want. They're turning down jobs if it doesn't make a lot of money. They don't do it. I don't know what this piece, I've never seen this, but it's interesting. You have it on both sides of the door. Beefs up the door frame. I'm sure they have a nice, you can see the header that they put in here for the door. It's a micro-lamp, 3.5 inch thick. I don't know if it's a double or not, but Sure not going to get any door sag out of that. So, there's a little framing video, how to, and this is the insulation board before they put the tie back on it. They don't need to tie back the inside. I'm surprised they didn't. You see how they put the OSB on to stiffen everything. The garage is all, they didn't use any insulation board on that. They just used all OSB on the side. So, hope this is helpful to you.